Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome back to the second segment of Iqra with Iqra, alhamdulillah. And we will be taking lots and lots of calls and making sure you are reading well and pronouncing ayat well, memorization well, qaida well, recognition well. All of these factors have to be taken into consideration so that we have an understanding and you have an understanding for that matter. Tell as many friends as you can, as friends and family. Do remember the way Iqra with Iqra is being shown this year, or the way I am teaching you this year. The first two segments, it will be Quran and Qaida and memorization. That's Tuesdays, Wednesdays, Thursdays. Mondays, every Mondays, it is the Qaida day. So that's collective Qaida. Together we read the Qaida. Fridays is the Khatm-e-Quran day. It used to be Thursdays. This year I've moved it to Fridays now. The last segment in each day. Yesterday we had the DYK segment, and today will be the same. Tomorrow will be the same. So 3 days, 3 consecutive days, Tuesdays, Wednesdays and Thursdays, DYK segments. So yesterday we had DYK Fiqh al-Islam. Did you know? And Fiqh al-Islam, cleanliness we spoke about, and types of water that we can clean ourselves with, we spoke about. Today we will talk about DYK. Did you know? The history, Sirat al-Nabi, for example, the Prophet ﷺ was born on this day, on that date, etc. This will be today's subject in the last segment and the DYK segment. Tomorrow, DYK essential du'as. Did you know? These are the du'as that we should know, and we will move forward like that. Friday's last segment, who wants to be the best reciter? So the person that calls in and recites something extraordinary, recites with an extraordinary melody, voice, and with extraordinary pronunciation, inshallah, will go to automatically to one of the elimination rounds, if not the semi-finals, inshallah, in this year's Q Factor 2020. And on Mondays, very special day, because I have a guest on Mondays live via Skype to speak about us, the youth, you, the youth, us, the Muslims, and how to progress and do good and move on and accelerate in life, inshallah. Let's go to our callers. Let's see who we have. Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum assalam.
How are you doing?
I'm good, alhamdulillah.
Is that Daniel? How are you,
Yeah,
Daniel?
Alhamdulillah, I'm fine. How are you?
Very good. So you were asking about the Q Factor, I remember. Yasin was asking too.
Yeah.
It's starting now, inshallah. I mean, it's starting from this Friday, in the sense that the Iqra with Iqra, I've linked it to the Q Factor. So in the last segment on Friday, it's called Who Wants to Be the Best Reciter for Iqra with Iqra. So if you read really well, you automatically qualify to go to one of the advanced rounds in the Q Factor for this year.
Inshallah.
So make sure you call in, make sure you get your friends and family to call in as well, yeah?
Yeah, inshallah.
Excellent. So, what do you want to read?
Surah Mumtahina off by heart.
Surah Mumtahina off by heart. Mumtahina is in which sipara?
28.
MashaAllah, 28. Everyone, 28, take out Mumtahina and let's listen to Daniel read. When you're ready, Daniel.
Okay. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم يا أيها الذين آمنوا لا تتخذوا عدوي وعدوكم أولياء تلقون إليهم بالمودة وقد كفروا بما جاءكم من الحق يخرجون الرسول وإياكم أن تؤمنوا بالله ربكم إن كنتم خرجتم جهادا في سبيلي في سبيلي وابتغاء مرضاتي تسرون إليهم بالمودة وأنا أعلم بما أخفيتم وما أعلنتم ومن يفعله منكم فقد ضل سواء السبيل إن يثقفوكم يكونوا لكم أعداء ويبسطوا إليكم أيديهم وألسنتهم بالسوء وودوا لو تكفرون لا تنفعكم أرحامكم ولا أولادكم يوم القيامة يفصل بينكم والله بما تعملون بصير قد كانت لكم أسوة حسنة في إبراهيم والذين معه إذ قالوا لقومهم إنا براء منكم ومما تعبدون من دون الله كفرنا بكم وبدا بيننا وبينكم العداوة والبغضاء أبدا حتى تؤمنوا بالله وحده إلا قول إبراهيم لأبيه لأستغفرن لك وما أملك لك من الله من شيء ربنا عليك توكلنا وإليك أنبنا وإليك المصير ربنا لا تجعلنا فتنة للذين كفروا واغفر لنا ربنا إنك أنت العزيز الحكيم لقد كان لكم فيهم أسوة حسنة لمن كان يرجو الله واليوم الآخر ومن يتول فإن الله هو الغني الحميد عسى الله أن يجعل بينكم وبين الذين عاديتم منهم مودة والله قدير والله غفور رحيم لا ينهاكم الله عن الذين لم يقاتلوكم في الدين ولم يخرجوكم من دياركم أن تبروهم وتقسطوا إليهم إن الله يحب المقسطين إنما ينهاكم الله عن الذين قاتلوكم في الدين وأخرجوكم من دياركم وظاهروا على إخراجكم أن تولوهم ومن يتولهم فأولئك هم الظالمون يا أيها الذين آمنوا إذا جاءكم المؤمنات مهاجرات فامتحنوهن الله أعلم بإيمانهن فإن علمتموهن مؤمنات فلا ترجعوهن إلى الكفار لا هن حل لهم ولا هم يحلون لهن وآتوهم ما أنفقوا ولا جناح عليكم أن تنكحوهن إذا آتيتموهن أجورهن ولا تمسكوا بعصم الكوافر واسألوا ما أنفقتم وليسألوا ما أنفقوا ذلكم حكم الله يحكم بينكم والله عليم حكيم وإن فاتكم شيء من أزواجكم إلى الكفار فعاقبتم فآتوا الذين ذهبت أزواجهم مثل ما أنفقوا واتقوا الله الذي أنتم به مؤمنون يا أيها النبي إذا جاءك المؤمنات يبايعنك على ألا يشركن بالله شيئا ولا يسرقن ولا يزنين ولا يقتلن أولادهن ولا يأتين ببهتان يفترينه بين أيديهن وأرجلهن ولا يعصينك في معروف فبايعهن واستغفر لهن الله إن الله غفور رحيم. يا أيها الذين آمنوا لا تتولوا قوما غضب الله عليهم قد يئسوا من الآخرة كما يئس الكفار من أصحاب القبور.
Okay, so which you've memorized 30th, 29, and
Yes.
now you're finishing off 28, yeah?
Yeah.
So the next one is going to be Surah Hashar,
Yeah.
Surah Hashr, yeah? And then Mujadala.
Inshallah.
Okay, so you've done Hashr and Mujadala left in 28, and you've done the rest. You've done Mumtahina, you've read Surah Saf, Jumu'ah, Munafiqun, Taghabun, yeah?
Yeah.
And Surah Talaq, Surah Tahrim, MashaAllah. Okay, so start on Surah Hashr then,
Inshallah.
followed by Mujadala. Is Yasin going to read?
Yes.
Give it to him, please.
Assalamu alaikum.
Salam Yasin, how are you?
Jazakallah, I'm fine.
Lovely. So, what do you want to read, Yasin?
30th part of Surah Infitar.
Off by heart or looking inside?
Looking inside.
Infitar.
Yes, in 30th part of.
Okay, then. When you're ready, you can start Infitar.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. إذا السماء انفطرت وإذا الكواكب انتثرت وإذا البحار فجرت وإذا القبور بعثرت علمت نفس ما قدمت وأخرت يا أيها الإنسان ما غرك بربك الكريم الذي خلقك فسواك فعدلك في أي صورة ما شاء ركبك كلا بل تكذبون بالدين وإن عليكم لحافظين كراما كاتبين يعلمون ما تفعلون إن الأبرار لفي نعيم وإن الفجار لفي جحيم يصلونها يوم الدين وما هم عنها بغائبين وما أدراك ما يوم الدين ثم ما أدراك ما يوم الدين يوم لا تملك نفس لنفس شيئا والأمر يومئذ لله.
Excellent, very good. Okay, so what's your tartib at the moment, Yasin? What are you reading?
I'm trying to get through what I'm memorizing so far.
No, so are you trying to finish Juz' Amma?
Yes.
So you started from Surah Naba, am I right?
Yes.
Okay, and we've reached Yani Mutaffifin now. You finished in Fitar. So the next time Mutaffifin, so you're going to finish Juz' Amma and then what?
Pardon, can you repeat that?
No, after finishing Juz' Amma, what are you going to do?
I'm not sure. I'm going to try and read
how many surahs have you memorized?
I think like 6 or 7.
Okay, I want you to start memorizing more.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
Because you're able to memorize, your reading is fluent now. Okay, you're reading with tajweed. I want you to start memorizing more surahs like Daniel.
Okay.
All right, take care. Next call, assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullah.
How are you doing, Gulzar Saab? You okay?
Alhamdulillah, alhamdullah.
Okay, your
I wanted to read, Surah Baqarah, I think 8, 9, please, if you don't mind.
Yeah,
Not
of course.
memorizing, but just, looking.
No, that's absolutely fine. Ayat number 9, yeah?
I think so, yeah.
No worries. Let's do ayat number 9. يخادعون.
Allah innahum.
Is it Allah innahum?
Yeah.
Okay, 1 second. Let's find Allah.
Sorry, I haven't got the 8 numbers written actually on this.
Allah innahum is ayat number 12.
Number 12, I'll write it down from now, inshallah. Just the one 8, please.
No
two,
problem.
please, yeah.
Let's hear it.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم ألا إنهم هم المفسدون ولكن لا يشعرون وإذا قيل لهم آمنوا كما آمن الناس.
Alif's got a standing fatha.
Yeah.
So alif's going to be long. Amanan nasu.
آمن الناس قالوا أنؤمن.
Anu'minu. Alif's got a fatha.
قالوا أنؤمن كما آمنا.
Alif's got a long fatha.
Sorry.
آمن
الناس.
Amanas sufaha.
آمن السفهاء. I forget these,
It's fine. It's good. It's good.
ألا إنهم هم المسفهون.
السفهاء. هم السفهاء.
Is that right?
Yeah. Wala.
ولكن لا يعلمون. Is that okay?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's all much of it.
Okay, brilliant. Next time, ayat number 14. If you write down 14,
Number 14.
yeah, that's where you will read from next time.
Inshallah, I'm going to go over this 100 times actually because this is the two, like sites that very difficult for me actually.
Well, once you get so far the way you're reading, I'm happy with it because the most important thing is you're looking inside and you are able to recognize the letters and the signs. Of course, there will be some hiccups on the way, but soon, the more you read, the hiccups will also go away.
Inshallah.
So you're
that's all due to you actually.
Oh, thank you so much. And to you, of course. And to your family, Mukhtarji and Mariam, they're all helping you. And
yeah, they're all helping me, mashallah.
Of course.
Know what I mean? But you most of all actually
thank you
inspire
so much.
me,
Thank you. I really, really appreciate that. Thank you. Make dua and speak to you soon, inshallah. Gulzar Sahab, mashallah, from Middlesbrough, doing really well. Next caller, assalamu alaikum. Who's calling? Hashir, where are you going to read from?
Lesson 19.
Lesson 19, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's have lesson 19 for Hashir, please. Lesson 19 is about what?
Mud.
It's about make mud. Mud means to lengthen, isn't it?
Yeah.
Mud means to lengthen, to make it long.
Yeah.
Okay, so start reading the first line and explain the rules.
جاء.
Go on. Ja'a, and then?
جاء.
Second word. Do you know the second word? Hashir,
Yeah.
can you read the second word or you don't know how to read it? Huh? Do you know how to read it?
No.
Okay, third word. Do you know any other words in this line?
Yeah.
So you only know the first one.
And the last one.
Okay, forget what's the last one?
Suwa'u.
No. You haven't learnt it, Hashir. You have not learnt it, my friend. Okay, you said ja'a. Give me the rules. Give me the rules in ja'a. Give me the rules in ja'a.
Yeah, هذا حرف مد and the Hamza appears, then the same word.
What's that?
If that it's there's harf mad and a Hamza appears, and in the same word it's known as mad muttasil.
Yeah, it's known as madda, full name, madda wajib muttasil, and you make it long. Ja'a. So can you not read the second word? Huh?
I can read it, but I kind of forgot it.
You're not, yeah, but you're not supposed to forget. You're supposed to look at it and be able to read. If you, I don't want you to memorize the words, then you're not reading it. You're not you haven't. You're not able to recognize it. I don't want you to memorize. I want you to look inside and be able to read the word. Do you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Okay, practice it more. Give it to Abiha or Hussein. Wa salam. Is that Abiha?
Yeah.
Can you read the second word, Abiha?
Si'at.
Okay, now give me the rules in Si'at.
The ya but because the letter before the ya is a kasa and the dise. The bud is going to be muttasil because after it there's a hamza.
Okay, so after ya madda there's hamza. Si'at, yeah?
Yeah.
That's madda wajib muttasil. Okay, and the last one is?
Su'u.
Give me the rules in su'u.
There's one with the letter before the waw second has a dhamma on top of it. The waw has a madda and after it there's a hamza, so it's going to madda muttasil.
Madda wajib muttasil, yeah?
Yeah.
Madda wajib muttasil. Su'u. Okay, lovely. Is Hussein going to read?
Yeah.
Give it to him.
Assalamu alaikum.
As-salam Hussein. Last line, please. Oh, give him the next line. Let's give Hussein the next line.
في أمرنا لا إله إلا أنزلنا.
Okay, so fi amrina. Let's go back to fi amrina. Give me the rules in fi amrina.
There is a ya madda because the letter before the ya sakil has a kasra, and this would be and the madda will be madda munfasil because there is a hamza in the word after it, and the mim has a jazm on top of it, so alif will be joined with it, and the ra will be empty mark because it has a kasra, and the noon there's alif madda because the letter before the alif has fatha.
Okay, so fi on top of the ya madda there's a wavy mud, isn't it?
Yeah.
That and this mud is called fi madda. Why is it called munfasil?
Because there's a hamza in the
Next word.
it.
Yeah, okay, okay. And la ilaha, give me the rules.
The mud will be mad munfasil because there's a hamza in the next word, and the lam has a standing fatha, so it will be one alif longer, and the ha has a fatha on it, so it will be short sound, and lam has a fatha on it, so it will be short sound.
Okay, next one.
Inna anzalna.
Okay, what's going on here?
The noon has a tashdid on it, so the alif before it will be joined with it, and the noon has a fatha on it, and there's a mad on top of it, and it will be mad munfasil because there is a hamza in the word after it, and the noon has a jazm on it, so the alif will be joined with it, and the lam has a jazm on it, so the zal before it will be joined with it, and there's alif madda because the letter before the alif has a fatha.
Okay, so inna anzalna, so that's madda jaiz munfasil too, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, and there's tashdid. Because it's tashdid on the noon, it's the most complete ghunna, akmal ghunna, yeah?
Yes.
Inna anzalna. Got it?
Yes.
Okay, now listen, how many you've said to me, you know Juz Amma off by heart,
Yes.
and you also know something, you know the first Sipara?
Yeah, I know 30 para and Surah Yasin.
You know the first Sipara?
No, don't know the first para.
Oh, so you know Juz Amma and Surah Yasin?
Yes.
Okay, those are the ones that I will also want to listen to you off by heart next time you call me, okay?
Okay.
So I did tell you I want to listen to Surah Yasin first.
Okay.
We'll do that tomorrow.
Okay.
Take care.
Okay. Salam.
So after the break, it is going to be the DYK segment, Did You Know? And it's the topic, the subject is going to be history. Sirat al-Nabi. Stay put. Assalamu alaikum.